what's up?
Alright, this is my roomie Freeze.
Why you coming in here yelling at me like that?
And this is me. And this is Silly String. We got a fly in here that we're sick and tired of. Let's see, where is he at? So we're gonna try to shoot him with the Silly String. I think he knows. You see the fly? Oh, there he is. See him on the light right there? I missed him. Oh, there he is. Freeze. I missed him.
Not the
Today
eyes.
we finally got a thunder day. And it's 11:17. Oh, there he is. Where'd he go? Right there on the soft cap.